Hey cake lovers, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you this amazing 3-in-1 cupcake recipe. This recipe is really easy to make. You are absolutely gonna love it. So let's get started. So I just have my flour in the bowl. I just sifted in the flour. In goes my baking powder and soda and some sugar, and I'm just gonna mix that really well. In goes our eggs and some melted butter, and now my milk, and I'm just gonna incorporate that very well. So you're just gonna mix into a very smooth batter, and that's it. Really easy. It's ready for baking. So guys, this is a 3-in-1 cupcake recipe. So it's one batter and you can customize it into different flavors. So I'm gonna make some strawberries and white chocolate. I have some blueberries, and the last one is just gonna be some oatmeal and dried fruit. You are definitely gonna love this recipe. So in goes my strawberries. I just added a teaspoon of flour to the strawberry just to mix it and prevent it from like going underneath the batter, and added my white chocolate, and I'll just incorporate that very well. So I'll do same with my blueberries. Just add a teaspoon of flour and just mix it really well, and in goes the berries into the batter, and I'll just fold and cut, and that's it. And this is our last batter, and I'm just gonna add some dried raisins, some cranberries, and some coconut flakes with some oats. So it's just a tablespoon each of all of this, and I'll just fold and cut into the batter, and that's it. It's ready for baking. So guys, I really love this flavor. It's good for breakfast. So these are the 3 flavors of cupcakes, and it's ready for baking. So we're just gonna put them into cupcakes. I don't have clips for that, I apologize for that, and I just baked in a 350 degrees oven for like 15 minutes, and it's ready guys. So you can see how beautifully gorgeous these cupcakes are. I love the beautiful golden brown color. It's so yummy. See how fluffy and soft this cake is. You are definitely gonna love this. It's the taste time. Oh my goodness, can you see how soft and fluffy this cake is inside? You are absolutely gonna love it. I love the fact that you can have 3 varieties from just one cake batter. Let's have a taste. I love how soft it is. It's so fluffy, and the blueberries, it just bursts in your mouth. I love you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.